Hello guys, in today's video I would like to share a game of mine from a recent online chess tournament which was dedicated to Janis Daudzvardis, a 10-time Latvian champion and a chess coach. I was playing against national master Janis Daudzvardis, an opponent with whom I had several painful games in my past. My very first video on my YouTube channel is a video with him. It was a tough queen and a rook endgame which lasted forever. I will post a link to this video in the description. So here is the latest game against Janis Daudzvardis. Okay. Okay, let's go for this variation. Okay. Here take. Okay, let's take and go queen h4. Wait, no. g3. Here. Here I can't take because he's just gonna take. Oh. Okay. Let's make a long castle. If g3 then just okay. No. I guess no. No. I don't want to go there. Let's go here or here. What happened? What happened? Oh, something happened. I don't know what. Um. Let's go h5. So if there's not gonna be any checks. Okay. Now let's go here. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go here. I think I just want to take. Here maybe? Um. H4 maybe, H3? Okay, I'll just go here. Okay, let's go here now. If take, I think I will take with the pawn or the knight. He's probably not gonna take. If I take and he take and okay, I can go here now. Check and take the bishop, but I don't think if I want to. Maybe I can ignore it. If he takes, I will take. No, I don't think there's something. If I no, I will just take the bishop. Now the black squares will be weak for him. Okay, let's go h4. Now my plan is to Okay, oh, I didn't see that. Oh no. Okay, maybe here. I don't know about this. Here. Yeah, I will go probably here. If check, that's good for me, I think. I will just go there. I want to somehow put my queen on this horizontal. Oh no, not horizontal, line. I can maybe try this. Now back probably. Oh, I didn't see that. And I don't like that. Uh, mm, hmm. Here, then he will just check me. And I don't want to. Wait. Okay, I'll take. Probably b5 now. Or b6. Okay, let's go b5. Now here, probably. Now let's go. Oh, everything's okay. I didn't see if that he can take. Okay, here. Should we go here or there? If take, I will take with the rook and take this pawn. Yeah, maybe I can take. Then he will just maybe go back. Oh wait, I can go there. Yeah, I like this. Okay, let's take. And now let's go here or take. Okay, let's go here. Attack. Now I just want to take here and take on c2. I like this position. I like it. Maybe I can put my other rook in on the 6th line. Horizon. Yeah, maybe. Okay. Oh, what is this? Take. Should I take? I can just check him and take the rook, the knight. Oh, and I have a. Wait. What? Oh no, he has many pawns. Um, where should I go? I don't really like this position. Okay, let's go here. Okay, let's go here now. I think that's a good move. If he goes d5, I will just go king d6 and king e5. Yeah. What is this? I think I will just take. Or just go here. Okay, I will go here. If take, just take. Do I want to take on d4? He will take with the rook. Now I want to... Oh, I just want to now go rook d8, I think. I think he has to take on d4. Now what does he want? He probably wants to go there and lock my rook in there. Now we will go here. If bishop b5. Yeah, this is good for me, I think. I need to make sure he doesn't have any checks. Yeah. Here he will go now, probably. And I will just move with my rook here. Yeah, okay. Now let's go here. Okay. You want king c4. Then I will just go here, probably. I need to make sure this rook doesn't stand here. I can just go rook f8 and g6. He will go... Oh, yeah, okay. We'll do this. And this in the next move. If he goes away. I will go g6 probably in the next move. If he doesn't go away with this rook. Yeah. So here g6 and king e5. And there we go. Okay, I didn't see this move. And I don't like it. Oh, I found a... If take, that's a checkmate. Yeah. This looks good. Okay, now let's think. If we go here, he takes, check, here, back, here, check. There's have to be a mate. Okay, I don't have a lot of time. Okay. There's have to be a checkmate. And just let's go here, there. Where should I go next? Oh, I should just go here, and yeah, this will be a checkmate. Can he do something in that time? I don't think so. If he attacks my bishop here, takes my bishop, that's a checkmate, right? Here and take. Yeah, that's a checkmate. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's go here. If here, then I will just go, yeah, rook a8. Here. Oh, yay. Okay, we will take. Yeah, and I think we won. Check and take, right? And we won. Yeah, that was a great game.